So this is pretty cool, right? And today I'm gonna show you how to create this effect. So let's get straight into it. My name is Vince, and yeah, this is a pretty cool effect. So I just found out this one like a couple of weeks ago, and I have to say I really like it. Like, I've seen it in a couple of travel videos lately, and I think it's pretty cool. So in Final Cut you need to use two effects to create this one. The first one we are going to use is called Prism. So you have to add Prism to your clip, and also you have to add a normal vignette effect. So as you can see, I've already made a preset, but don't care about that. You can actually create one by clicking on this button. But anyway, so now what you have to do is you have to put the prism amount down to a smaller number. You know, it's just all preference. I like it to be very subtle, but you can go crazy with it. I like to put the angle to about 280 degrees, because then there's going to be like a very small line on the top, but that's not distracting at all. I couldn't find a solution for that, so yeah, and here is that. And I like to put a lot of blur on the vignette and also take down the darkness. But now, as you can see, all the parts of the image is blurred with this RGB thing. But what you want to do is you want to go into this and create a shape mask, and you're gonna stretch this out kind of like this and make it a little bit wider. So the RGB effect is only going to be applied to the edges, so it's going to create this very weird look, kind of like your character is on drugs or something like that, but I think it's very cool. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna invert the mask, which you can do here, and boom, that's it. That's pretty easy, right? And as you can see, here's what we got. We got this very weird looking effect, but I think it's pretty cool. Like, you can see it in a lot of travel videos, just like on this one, this one, this one. So yeah, a lot of people are using it, and it's a very cool effect. It can definitely add to your story if you are doing like a flashback, or even if your character is on drugs or something like that. So anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button and also the subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, bye.